So we can either log in here or register here. So let's register a new user, Frank. So we can click here to view our password or click to hide it. So register. So successful register a new user, Frank. Here we can click here to log out. We can click here to view our profile. So we don't have any profile image yet, so let's add profile picture. So successful added a picture. Here is our notification, no new messages yet. So here we can click here to create a group chat. Let's see. Here we can click here to go to our chats, but we don't have any chats yet. So let's search for a user to start chat with. Search for guest users. Also, I already created guest user, so we'll click guest user to establish one-on-one chat with guest user. We'll say hello. Notice one thing here, there is no message, and message will come instantly. Here the message is gray color because we are inside inbox, and this may show that the person that sent the message, I'm the one that sent the message, that's why me is added. So now let's log in guest user. Let's open another window. Let's open incognito window to log in guest user, so I can see if we receive our message. Another thing I can notice here is red color, the online status. This red color shows that this user is offline, but immediately we log in, here we turn to green color to show that this user is now online. So we'll click here to log in directly to guest user. So now if we refresh here, watch, it have turned to green to show that guest user is now online. So, and they will have received message from Frank, and as you can see, the message color is white because it's still unread. So, and once we read it, it will turn to gray color just like this one. And here is our message counter. You see one new. It's total message we receive each user receive, and here is total message every user receive, the total message of it. So here if we send another message, or let's send a picture, watch here is turned to 2, the counter turned to 2 new, and here also 2 notification, 1 photo and 1 message from Frank. So immediately we click here will turn to gray color, and this notification will go away, you can see. And if we send another message, hey, as you can see, if you can notice something here, okay, here there's no notification because we are inside the inbox, but immediately we'll go outside the inbox and send another message, we will receive notification. Okay, let's try that. Maybe we'll send another picture. Maybe we'll add a message to the picture. As you can see, typing is going on here. You see, we'll receive notification, and this picture was sent. You can see this picture comes with a message, and the time we send the message a few seconds ago, and here the picture we send here didn't come with a message because we didn't send it with a text message. So it only come with timeline when we sent it. Say this one 3 minutes ago, this a minute ago, this a few seconds ago, and this one a few seconds ago, and we'll receive the message here. So now we can also send reply. Maybe let's send emoji. If you notice, as you are typing something, you will see the typing animation going on. Shows that this person is typing, and once he sends the message, it will stop and go away. As you can see, it receives the message instantly, and this is made possible by using Socket I/O. Socket I/O is a technology that makes it possible for us to receive notification or messages in a real time, instantly, so we can communicate instantly. See, as I'm typing, the typing animation is going on, and once I send, both will receive the message, so the communication is going instantly. So that's a nice one. And we can see here the information about this, someone that we are chatting with, Frank, the user that we are chatting with. We can also click this I button to also see the information of this user that we are chatting with. So that's nice. Now let's go and create a group chat, or let's use this user to create a group chat. New group, and call it new group, and let's add users. Add the first user, Rachel. We'll add Rachel. We'll add another user. Let's add this user, guest user. We'll add guest user. Let's add one more user. So as I type user here, it brought out user because this one have user in his name. This one also have user, so we'll choose this user because we have already added guest user here. So now we'll create the group chat and watch it have created instant. And when we refresh here, we also see the new group that this user, because this user was added to the group. That's why you can see the new group here. So let's open another window so that we can message in a group chat. Okay, let's log in this lecture. As you can see, because Rachel was added in the group, that's why you can see the group appear there. So now let me send message to the group. Oh, I'm just typing to this user, Frank, not to this group. Okay. As you can see, both are showing at the same time. Once I'm typing the two, you can notice the typing animation going on at both users. So if I watch, you see both receive the message.
You have no new messages.
Oh, what is this? Sorry about that. So now, as you can see, both users receive the message, so the three users can communicate instantly. And here, because you have not entered the inbox, the message is still in white. And once we click, the last message will turn to gray color. So even if we refresh, we can no longer see the notification. But here, even if we refresh, the notification is still there because this user have not read his own message. So once I select Okay, you see the notification have gone away. So even if you refresh, see, you can no longer receive the message and see the notification. So that's a nice one. So you can click this I button to view information about the group. See the group name, the group picture, and there's no picture to the group yet. Let's add a picture to the group, and you can see what will happen here. See what it says. Only admin Frank can update the group image. Only this admin Frank, because he's the one created the group, so it's the only user that is authorized to edit or do anything in the group. So same thing, if we want to rename, it will also tell you the same. Only admin Frank can rename the group. Same thing, if you want to remove a user, we'll try to remove this user. It will also tell you only admin Frank can remove someone. So that's nice. So but if we come here and click the I button and we'll try to add a picture to the group, as you can see, it has added a picture to the group because it's the only user that is authorized to edit anything or add picture or remove someone from the group. Okay, let's see. It will change. See, only the new. I've renamed the group new. See, once I refresh here, let's see. Okay, let me refresh here. As you can see, it have changed. And if I try to remove this user, what is the name of the user? Frank Lache. So if I try to remove Lache from the group and I click, say, are you sure I want to remove Lache from the group? Say okay. Now Lache is gone. So if we refresh, you can no longer see Lache. So that's a nice one. I can also search for this user, Frank, and chat with him. Hi Frank. As you can see, you see we are in the group message inbox. That's why we receive the notification. If we have been in this inbox, we will not receive the notification. So that's a nice one. You can also reply. And you will receive a instant. So that's a nice. So now if I want to remove myself from the group, if this user want to remove himself from the group, can come here and click the I button, and this user is guest user. So assuming you want to remove himself guest user, you can click here. Say, are you sure I want to remove guest user? If you click OK, it will remove it. Notice something, if you try to remove any other user that is not guest user, okay, let's try. You see, only admin, but it can remove itself. Or you can come here and click leave group to ask you if you want to remove guest user, and once you click OK, watch, it will remove itself from the group. So you can no longer receive any message from the group. So that's nice. That's a good one. So now, oh, what is this?
I didn't get that. Could you try again?
So now this is a mobile view. The mobile view, as you can see, we can only see the user picture and the username. the group picture and the group name. See, we can no longer see the last message like this last message, but once we return back to full view, we'll see the last message, as you can see. But if we go back to mobile view, we can no longer see the last message. We can only see the name of the group or the username, and we can also see the online status. You see where it is here in a full screen, but this is where it is in the mobile view. Same thing, if I want to view the information about the group, do anything in the group, or create new group. So this is how the mobile view it is. You can still send any message. Hi. As you can see, you can send the message to the group, and this user have removed himself, so you can no longer receive any message from the group. This user is guest user. Hello, as you can see, and guest user will receive this instantly. So you can see our application is working nice. So that's a good one. Now let's go to our database and check out our database. So here is our chart. You see, we have created 3 charts. One is not a group chart, it's one-on-one. That's why we have 2 users. So one-on-one chart. And here is his group is true. It's a group chat, and we have many users. Okay, we have removed some users, so that's why it remain only 2 users. So, and another one we created with Lahe, another that is not a group chat. So it's one-on-one chat with 2 users. So here is our messages, our last messages. This is our last messages here. So this is where we store our last messages. So here is our notification. As you can see, our notification is stored in our database. So that is why it is persistent. Even if we refresh our page, the notification is still there because it's stored in our database. So here is our users. As you can see, this is the last user that we just created. We created Frank. So, and here is the password was encrypted with bcrypt. We'll learn more about it when we're building the project. The bcrypt make it hard for maybe someone have access to our database, will not be able to see our password because our password was encrypted. So here is our picture stored in our Cardinary. So that is it.